Today, Sarah and I are going to make a beautiful baba ganoush, and we just picked these eggplants in the garden. They're beautifully ripe. And now this is a absolutely delicious Mediterranean dish, or side dish, or dip. And we're going to split it in half, just like so, and do the same with the other one. Let's place our eggplant into this pan. Let me put it this way. There. And now with my knife, we're gonna make some slits in the top. The reason we make some slits is because we want all the oil and the garlic, some of the garlic that we're gonna put in here, to go right into the meat of the eggplant. And then we're going to cut it this way as well. The eggplant is in the pan, the slits are in. We're going to set it aside. And in the meantime, in here, we're going to put some olive oil, just so we can brush the top of the eggplant. And we'll already put a piece of garlic right in here. Crush it, as well as adding some of the salt and a few hot pepper flakes. We're gonna mix all this up and then brush it right on top of each eggplant half before we place it in the oven. This already is gonna flavor the meat of the eggplant. Our eggplant is ready to go into the preheated oven. We're going to put it inside and allow the oven to do its magic. Now here we're going to take about 2 cloves of garlic, and we're going to peel it and then put it through the garlic crusher. Let's put one already. And it comes out nice and thin like this. Let's put the other one in as well. You could actually put them in with the skin on, and the skin remains inside the garlic crusher. All right, so we have the garlic. We'll place it right into our bowl. And then, since we like a little bit of heat, we're gonna get this cayenne pepper that was in the garden and chop some of it up. Later on, we'll put some on top as well. Put little heat in there as well. Let's get a little bit more. We'll put this in as well. To the garlic and hot pepper, we're going to add olive oil, as well as the tahini. And in order to just kind of give a nice tone to the color of this dish, we're also going to add just a little bit of plain Greek yogurt. Mix this up, and then some lemon juice. Here comes the lemon juice. And what we're going to do, we're just going to put the hand like this to catch the seeds. And there we go. That's about it. I'm going to mix this in as well. And we are ready for the eggplant once it's cooked and nicely roasted. Almost forgot. Salt to taste. And that's totally up to you as to how much you want to put in. And here we are, ready to get these guys out. And oh wow, this is absolute perfection. Look at that nice caramelization on top. This is going to be so delicious. Look at there, it's so nice and soft. And we're going to put this right in here Unfortunately, my food processor finally, after 25 years, gave up. So we're going to do it with this little guy. We might have to do it in stages because it's small. We drained some of the excess liquid. Now we're going to really mix this up well. Sorry for the noise. Here we are. These are the 2 halves. Now we're going to go to the next 2 halves. We're also going to put these sesame seeds in here and place them in the oven to slightly toast. Our sesame seeds have been slightly toasted and the aroma is even so much better now. For the sake of space, we put everything in this big, larger bowl. Now we're going to put the tahini with the garlic and the lemon juice right in here. Give it a nice mix. And then we will plate it in a more decorative bowl. And this is all there is to it. And here we are, plating it right here. You could also put it into some small individual bowls for each person. We're going to just kind of smooth it out, but still leave some of these indentions. And then we're going to put some of these greens. It's some mint as well as some parsley. Put that right on there. We're going to get some of these hot slices of hot cayenne as well. Let me see. And then we're going to sprinkle these wonderful toasted seeds. We're going to finish it off with some mint leaves. And now, definitely, to top it all off, a nice drizzle of olive oil. And look at this. Absolutely delicious. Here we have some pita bread that we can just rip into pieces. We also toasted this in the oven and serve it right next to this dish. But I'm gonna get to have the first taste and I can barely wait. Let me put a little bit of the greens on there to actually be the first one to taste it. I'm gonna wish you un buon appetito. So good.